Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can become a seller on Amazon and sell your own products. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go onto the Amazon main page on the website. Not 100% sure if you need an account or not. If you need it, you can just easily create it. I already have it, so I'm not sure if it is a requirement. However, it is definitely nice to have. So once you are on the Amazon main page, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into sell, which is going to get you to this page, which I was already at, which is called create an Amazon seller account. You can easily just click sign up, and as you can see, you can get 10% back on your first $50,000 in branded sales. So that's just a good deal that Amazon is of their own free will giving to sellers themselves. And there are general pieces of information here, why you would create a seller account, etc., and so on and so forth. And here is your entire, how do you call it, step-by-step guide on how you can create a seller account. Of course, there are selling plans which you can purchase. The individual selling plans plan costs $1 per sale. Professional costs $40 per month, no matter how many sales you have, and so on and so forth. But to create a seller account, you just click on sign up, and here you need to log in, and you should also, after you do that, you will have to enter your mobile phone number so that you can get a one-time password. And for some reason, the password is incorrect. I'm not sure why. It shouldn't be. I'm not sure why it's happening, but it is what it is. But yeah, you'll need to enter your mobile phone to get a one-time password, and then you're going to have to enter a couple different pieces of information as well. And those pieces of information are outlined in the step-by-step guide that I showed you previously, so you can check that out. But other than that, you can just create it and start selling, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.